My goodness gracious, Gen V is insane, and that booty is bodacious. Oh my god, the rescue mission for Sam is turning up the heat. It is getting crazy. The gala has really brought our little heroes, our little students, our little soups together. So it's kind of cool to see them all kind of join forces a bit and also keep their individuality. So let's get into it. Before we get started, you know the vibes. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below to feed the algorithm quads. Check us out on Patreon for early access to my reactions, unfiltered, uncensored, and uncut. Anyways, let's get into it. They always drop the first 3 episodes at once for like the other season, so I'm assuming that's why for like the boys. I'm guessing they just did that for this, which is why they did a recap on episode 4. What? I talk too fast. Sorry, I'll slow down. I talk too fast when I want to like talk before they start saying dialogue in the show.
What happened?
Not worried. This is Greg. Come on. Woohoo!
I want the whole security team on this.
Well,
Oh no, the shoe! The shoe! The shoe! Ah!
There's blood on it.
maybe this is good. She got.
Actually, that's a good fucking point. Yeah. You didn't do anything. You threw the risk onto someone you just met. That's
New rankings are out. Andre's number 1, you're 2, and I'm still 5.
Oh, okay.
But you guys are gonna get a green van and a talking dog and fucking solve it? You're just gonna end up like that fucking cricket.
Actually, good point. Why don't you ever listen to her? Do you know how many times you tell her to shut up, basically, but she'll just keep screaming no at her in the middle of her talking? And yeah, she's a little bit agitating, but like, she was right. Like, especially about like not doing anything stupid. Okay, well,
Who killed that guy?
that's okay. No one really remembered Greg.
We need help.
Oh no, there's only one person who can help. I gotta get a hold of Luke.
Oh shit.
He killed himself.
We don't know how Sam's powers work. We don't. Oh, okay.
I'm here, Sam.
Oh my god. Oh, Sam. No. Oh, Sam. No. Oh my god. Dude, I can't. That was. Oh, dude, Sam is we need to protect him at all costs, or he needs to go kill a bunch of people at all costs. I don't know which way we're going with it. Like, okay, I like that they do parody shows. That's cute.
The Deep, A-Train, and of course myself. But tragedy has rocked this institution to its core. Guys, plunging its depths? I mean, what? Come on.
Oh, okay. Yep. We love television.
Shit. You hate that I'm here. I make you nervous.
I can understand why you think that.
Oh. Okay, weird.
Seeping from your pores and
Oh, that's so cool. I was wondering how he's a soup. Okay. Kind of weird that he mentioned that part, but okay.
hashtag why did Golden Boy do it is still trending #1 from campus surveillance. A full list of Golden Boys, classmates, girlfriends, fuckboys. Oh, and
Uh-huh. Oh, we got anxiety. Yep.
You look high as fuck.
But me? No, not at all.
I hope I don't put it on Andre, because he's so drugged out all the time recently. I feel like she would be the easier scapegoat. But Andre's always high, so it's kind of easier to pin it on him.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, he does.
Maybe he's trying to protect you.
No. You know, when I was a kid and I was alone, I used to watch his Area 51 movies. So
Mm-hmm. And he realizes he's not a real hero. He's just, yeah. Well, he's a one who's scared.
You don't know that.
You know,
maybe-
like he's
No, I
not.
do, 'cause
Well, that's the thing. Your dad was scared. Your dad was horrified. It wasn't that he was like an accomplice, but I guess having knowledge and doing nothing about it is kind of like he's the one you were, you know. How did the mom die again? I wonder if he tried to like contest something before and the mom leave or die? I don't remember what they said in that episode when they were like mumbling to each other. When they before the Damn, I wish I remembered. God damn. I'm pretty sure she died. It'd be kind of cool story-wise if they had it so like he wanted to do something originally, they killed her, and then like he was set down this path of fear and anxiety, but just wanted his kid to be okay. That's why he pushed him so hard to ascertain this life. And then like him like seeing his kid put himself into harm's way by knowing too much freaked him out. That'd be kind of cool, but I don't know. I just don't remember what happened to the mom.
I'm fucking with you. You're ranked second. Everyone knows you.
Okay. Well,
So
You're looking for your roommate, but she's not the only girl you're looking for.
sister. Yeah. Uh-oh. He's the real deal.
Hey, come on, I'm fucking with you.
can you really find her?
Yeah, I just need something that belongs to her. Connection.
Oh, you better not put your hand on her thigh or some fuck shit. Oh. Well, here's the astral projection part. She's making the blood rush to his. Ah! She's making the blood rush to his dick and then burst it. Yeah, dickless shit. You can control the blood in people's bodies. You're blood bending. You can control the blood in people's bodies.
Blowing pheromones on anyone who gets too close. Fuck him. What were you thinking?
Since when do you care about anyone not named Jordan?
You care. Jordan, you care. Jordan, you stay caring. Because you're a good person. I love it. That's so cute. Their banter is so cute. I shipped that too. Please. Oh, they'd be so cute together. I like them.
Andre, I need to know that you heard me.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. And he's high as a bitch. Andre's high as a bitch right now. Uh-oh.
Bravely buzzing around the buoyant boy. Lights. Camera. I'll give a count.
I know there's gonna be people who judge him for his vocal warm-ups, but I did vocal warm-ups back when I was, like, casting and commentating for esports. I go, "Me, my, mofo, fee, fi, fo, fum." Then, ba, 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 blah. But, like, actually, like, with proper not memeing it, but properly doing it. Yeah. It's a whole thing to, like, make sure that you work your diaphragm rather than, like, doing it from your lungs and shit, which is, like, a really bad habit I've developed of, like, being more lazy. Sometimes I don't know. My voice is, like I love my voice, by the way. I'm not, like, insecure about that or anything. It's just, like, weird because sometimes, I do, like, a bunch of, like, sarcastic and snooty voices, but when I do that, I tend to use my throat more than I use my diaphragm whenever I do those ones, like, "Oh my god." I do stuff like that, and I'm like, "Okay, like, I need to make sure I keep using my diaphragm consistently, like, when I normally talk." It's a whole thing. Anyways, warm-ups are important, especially so you don't lose your voice because I literally live stream for about 12 hours a day to 15 hours a day. And then I also record off stream for about an hour or two a day. So it's like if I talk for like between like 14 to like 16 hours, usually 17 hours ish, you can lose your voice pretty fast. And I do it every day. So it's like you kind of have to do that stuff.
You would have been number one.
Maybe, I don't know.
Brink would have made sure of it. He loved you.
Oh.
And Golden Boy killed him. That doesn't upset you?
Of course it does.
So there you go.
No.
Which raises the question.
Oh.
How did you not know he was this disturbed?
The night scares the shit out of me. The night scares the shit out of me. He's a guild pig.
How long
Weed!
have you been eating Golden Boy's girlfriend's whole? Is that why
Oh.
he blew himself up?
What do you mean?
Oh, Andre going down for it. Andre going down. He found his.
You're just a small man playing fucking hero because you've never been one.
It's embarrassing, you know?
I'm not the best judge for what's humiliating. I used to put stuff up.
No, I believed him. What? Wait, what?
I know! Multiple mental hospitals.
I like them both so much together. Please, please, let them have love. I like them both so much.
And I'm pretty cool.
I know you're cool. That's why I'm positive you'll leave.
Oh my god.
$50 nipples under my shirt.
I could live with that. Kind of low-key into it.
They're both so quirky and they understand each other's humor so well. And they both have that similar brand of humor. And he gets her and understands her. So, like, I just like it, man. It's nice and comfy. And I know they gonna take something away from me. You better let them be in love and stay together, please. Are y'all gonna smooch? Are y'all gonna kiss? Oh, he's so nervous. Oh my god. Nervous sweet boy. Uh-oh. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Oh no. That's not real.
Please stop.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
She missed a few classes. It's no big deal.
Well, stressed out. I I don't know, man. For that conversation, I would have faked. Like, I would have probably faked a little bit more. I probably would have been like, yeah, like, oh, she's been like the Austin thing was a great excuse. And they'd be like, should I be looking for her? I thought she was just in and out. And it's like, oh, like make them like get more defensive about not having you look at anything, right? But I guess, I don't know. I don't know. Oh! Horrifying, 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 horrifying.
My journey. 4 blockbusters and 6 People's Choice.
Uh-huh. He always does that with circles. He does that all the time. He does the glass and everything too. I don't. I did the circle of the tape.
So, Miss Moreau, you stopped Golden Boy's rampage.
Not just me. There were
Huh? Okay. Oh, the legs cross. More closed off? Question mark.
killed himself. I've told this story a lot.
But not the whole story.
Because he kicked me out. I saw Luke and I fucking ran. And the only reason I'm still alive is because Jordan Lee held him off long enough for me to get away.
Ooh, 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 ooh. What the fuck are we gonna do? I'm sorry. Isn't that a terrible thing for this to be out? Well, her ranking's dropping.
It's not our bus. Oh, isn't it?
Oh, that was a dude who was fucking Jordan. The one before that. Oh.
I can't pin this on any of these kids. There's not a Patsy in the bunch.
Pity.
What?
You have no evidence I've done anything wrong.
No?
Oh shit. Hold on. Oh.
I'd say taking the fall for Golden Boy.
Honestly, I would have laughed so fucking hard if he was like, I heard it from Bob. And if she went, no, Bob's dead, I would have been like, no, Greg is dead. I would have laughed so hard. I'm sorry. I thought it was coming up and it didn't. He's gonna rub the hole because he's weird. The circle. He's weird. Oh, it kind of reminds me a little bit of how it was for Black Noir a little bit, right? Near the end?
Jason Ritter!
You know what you have to do.
No.
Well, you know what you want to do.
God damn. K for kill.
Just shut up. Shut up. Stop.
Sam?
Just stop, please. Stop.
Okay, well, who's Dr. Cardosa, Sam?
Oh yeah, he got the jump. Yeah, he got the jump. All right. Well, yeah. Andre was right about that. Daddy still got the dick hole in the statue, or we patched it up? No, still got the dick hole.
Andre?
Oh. Oh, he is having a breakdown. Motherfucker smelled pussy on your lips. That shit was crazy.
What did I do?
Nothing.
You said I was scared. I was just talking shit.
Whoa, opening up. Oh, smooch. 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 Ah, it's happening. You don't need to change for me. Say it. Hold on. Don't need to change for me. You don't need to change for me. Right? Oh, you did the neck pull. You pull. Oh, pull them back in. Pull them back in for more. That's one of my favorite things in the world. Honestly, nothing makes me feel more wanted than that. Honestly, oh my god, I love that. The pulling back for seconds. Oh, that's a vibe.
you okay?
Sorry, Sam's going after Dr. Cardosa. We have to stop him.
All right, well, that worked out well.
Chloe is going to save you.
Nope.
Well, let's see.
It'd be cool if she was actually a secret soup.
Did you recently visit the Brain Tumor Center at Johns Hopkins? Shall we say unusual proclivity?
Circles. Oh, he fucks any hole he sees. That's why he rubs the rim of all holes. Oh. Oh, he fucking. Oh, he fucking. Oh. Yeah, what is it with that? That's like, that's way too common, reoccurring
So how do we think
in the show, because they also thought that the other dude got skull fucked.
Long as you're off campus by end of day, this video stays off Instagram. Thoughts?
I mean, the blackmailing go crazy. He fucked the car. He fucked a lot of. He fucked a pylon. A traffic cone.
Snapped. Fortunately, Godolkin University remains as resilient as ever. And Eden.
Ain't no way he looked at the holes of the trees. And also the holes.
We good?
Get it? We're good, we're good.
Give me a few minutes alone, please.
I'm gonna fuck that tree. Hey, no, he actually is. Okay. Crazy ass. Oh, that's a nice ass house. Ooh.
Real! You're not real! You're all fucking...
Oh, I like this actor. I feel like I've seen him in something before. I'm not sure what though. But man, I don't know.
Sam, you don't want to do this.
I know you. I escaped and you caught me. You're one of them!
That is actually so valid. Okay. That's actually so valid. That is so valid. I know he's having an episode, but two of them were the ones who helped catch him. One of them literally touched him and then like helped him get like put into a different facility. Like we are. She's gonna eat to become larger so she can stop him? Sam, no! Okay, Jordan. Okay, Jordan. Hold on, how much are we binging? How big are we? Oh my god.
I have to stop them. Why won't you let me stop them?
Hey.
Oh my god. I love Emma. I love Emma so much. I started tearing up. What? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? What was that? What was that? Oh. When did y'all sleep together? When did y'all sleep together? We work it. And reverse it. It's your to get that, yep. It's your to get that, yep. Got a big dick, let me search it. Why do they censor that? Subtitles. Anyways. Oh, well, we're watching him fuck up. Alright, hand dryer. This show is it's something. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm binging the hell out of this. I'm doing this all in one sitting so far. Cause I'm just addicted and I'm supposed to record other stuff, but I really can't. It's just I've been sitting my ass here for like over 4 hours, more like 5 hours now. I have to convert files and shit too. Oh my god, but it's so good. It's so good. I'm having such a good time. Dang. Oh, that's just okay. You know what? There's just the problem is there's too many good relationships that they have to kill off someone's partner. I just don't know which person they're gonna kill off out of the couples. Because like things are going a little too well, we're halfway through. Anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for being incredible. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for your love and support always. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, check out the Patreon. Bye folks!